place where we don't left no trace. This Tyson where we left no face. Girl tech burst and the whole vibrate. Life on the line, kill her but it's too late. Code.
What's good, YouTube gang? Boy Jambisco back with a crazy update. Yeah man, YouTube gang. Today is a little bit more positive than the updates lately, man. You know, a little bit depending on how you look at it. Yeah man, gang. We have a crazy update. It seems that Kman 6 has been fully authorized. Yeah man, gang, you heard me right, man. Look at Kman 6 has been fully authorized by Rvssian, because earlier today on IG, he took to his IG to actually post this post right here. Yeah man, gang, that's the post that Kman made on his IG, and as you can see, you can hear the Rvssian dirty money redeem. Yeah man, right now that's the redeem that's running the place. Every artist trying to get on right now. Yeah man, and it seems like Rvssian send the beat over to Kman, so it look like your dog has been authorized, and we're probably gonna get a Kman and the dirty money redeem pretty soon, and it's a good look, gang. You know what I'm saying? Me not lie, it's a good look. You see me? Yeah man, definitely it's gonna bring Kman over to the Jamaican audience, as well as making him bigger in the Trini audience. You see me? I say, yeah man, it's a good look. We don't know, say Kman is a really good Trini artist and he's a really good dancer artist, so we're glad to see that. You see me? I say, so big up Kman, big up Rvssian. It's a good look. So let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section, gang.
Man. Yes sir, he's in charge.
What you mean, everything straight, boy?
Nice.
Back in charge, yeah.
Yes he is.
Yeah man, gang, you just see that clip a while ago. Yeah man, it's a crazy situation. It's a good look, depending on how you look on it. You see me? You just see that was Prezzi talk to him bodyguard. Prezzi have the 7 talk to him bodyguard, and basically the dog I say, yo, he might go through an event coming up pretty soon. And me I say, yo, Ratbat in charge. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if he was like hailing up Rajah Wild, or if he's actually saying he's gonna book Rajah Wild for the event he's throwing. But either way, the dog familiar with Rajah Wild saying, you see me and say, and you don't know, it seems that Rajah Wild music is translating over, especially in Trinidad, and even the Dana, you see me, Prezzi himself see what go on. You see me and say, and I say the rap batch in charge, so you look like he read Rajah Wild music, and he read Rajah Wild, and it's a good look. So big up Rajah Wild. You see me?
That's why St. Thomas can better for the fight every team what we do. We don't go for it. We're tired of what we do. Popcaan. Push him up. Hey, pull up. Yeah, pull up. Hey, don't tell me not tired.
Yeah man, gang, you know, just see the video a while ago, man. Unfortunately, that was at the iconic Unruly Fest. You see me? That was Popcaan talking to the police, saying, yo, you don't want to shut the event off because they be finding everything they try Jamaican and dancer artists try to do for the country or in their parish. You see me? So I'm like, yo, move up. There's just a fight. That's why St. Thomas can better. But it seems that things did take a bad turn, because it seems that Popcaan was arrested and charged. I'm pulling up the charges for you right now, but it looked like he was arrested and charged. My sources says he was hit with around 5 different charges. Okay, one was nice complaint, using indecent language, threat to an officer. You know what I'm saying? The Noise Act, violating the Noise Act rule, which is crazy. You know what I'm saying? Which personally I think like yeah, the like noise pollution and violence and use of indecent language, man. Freedom of speech, bro, should like cover all that, in my opinion. So, in my opinion, dog shouldn't even get charged. You see me? And say, yeah, I think they're picking on Popcaan at this point. They realizing Popcaan have a lot of respect and a lot of power. So I think they're targeting him now, just like how they targeted Vybz Kartel. That's what I think personally. You see me? I say, yeah, man. And yo, for JLP a fight dancer music, so more if you vote them out of house, bro. At the same time, there's a party going on and they're fighting the culture and fighting. Vote them out, man. Put JLB back in the power, and if they mess up your vote, you see me, till you find someone that's going to do right by the citizens and by the culture. You see me? I say, can't fight dancer artists. Dancer artists is what basically put help bring the country out in the world, as well as bringing tourism and attract people. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, they shouldn't fight Popcaan. So they did a lot for the culture and a lot for people. You see me? I say, like, poor people in parish as well. So yeah, man, big up Popcaan. Foolishness, man, keep up, bro. Get a lie and fight that, bro. Cause freedom of speech, they shouldn't tell you where you can cuss word or not. You see me about noise abatement. Come on now, crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, that's a crazy story I have for y'all. That's crazy updates I have for y'all. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinion. Definitely go show the artists them some love and support. Definitely go show Kman, Popcaan, and Rajah Wild. Go show them some love and support, man. You know what I'm saying? Especially Popcaan going through this time. Show them some support. It's me a time the Jamaicans and stand up, you know, for themselves, from them artists and in culture. Stop taking these nonsense stop taking these nonsense rules and being threatened by police. Stop being bullied by police and the government. You see me time uno take a stand against some stuff. But you don't know, gang. Till next time, you don't know about Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other, guys.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.